famous American journalist Sidney J. Harris said, "The whole purpose of education is to turn mirrors into windows." The phrase "to turn mirrors into windows" means to peep inside and see what one is. And Harris means through education, one must open himself to the world to learn new things. Well, hello and welcome back. As your interest in JavaScript is growing day by day, we are having fun teaching you new topics. So we are here to teach you a new topic of the day, which is operators in JavaScript. Let us quickly see the agenda of this video. First, we will be learning what operators and operands are, then the list of arithmetic operators. After that, each arithmetic operator in detail with examples. At the last of the video, there is an assignment for you. So what are operators? Well, basically, an operator is a symbol that usually represents an action or a process. These symbols were adapted from mathematics and logic. It is a really basic math. An operator is capable of manipulating a value or an operand. 10 plus 20. The plus sign is an operator and 10 and 20 are operands. So we are going to talk about 5 types of operators over the few lectures. Arithmetic operators, assignment operators, logical operators, comparison operators, and conditional operators. In today's lecture, we are discussing the first type of operators, which is arithmetic operators. There are a few types of arithmetic operators. The exponentiation is a new operator according to ECMA Script 2015. A typical arithmetic operation operates on 2 numbers. Script variable x equal to 5 plus 4. Console.log x /output:9 script, or on 2 variables script. Variable a equal to 5. Variable b equal to 4. So let us go through each arithmetic operator. Addition operator. The addition operator produces the sum of 2 or more numerical values. In the case of strings, the addition operator does the string concatenation. Isn't it easy? And as you can see, it is just basic mathematics with some syntax in the first example. And in the second example, we stored the string in a variable called name and used an addition operator to concatenate the strings. Subtraction operator. The subtraction operator is used for the subtraction of 2 numbers or subtraction of the variables holding those numbers. In this code, we subtracted the variables x and y holding the numbers 70 and 30 respectively. Multiplication operator. The multiplication operator is used for the multiplication of 2 numbers or subtraction of the variables holding those numbers, just like addition and subtraction. In this example, x and y are the variables holding the values 5 and 4 respectively. Using the multiplication operator, we multiplied the 2 variables and assigned the result to the 3rd variable. Exponentiation operator. The exponentiation operator raises the first operand to the power of the second operand. Sounds confusing? Don't worry. After looking at the example, you will understand. The left operand represents the base and the right operand represents the exponent. So 5 to the power 2 is 25. Division operator. The division operator is used for the subtraction of 2 numbers or division of the variables holding those numbers. The left operator is the dividend and the right operator is the divisor. Unlike other languages like C, Java, etc., as you can see, JavaScript allows divided numbers to have a floating output. Modulus operator. Modulus operator divides the 2 operands with each other and tells you how much is left over afterwards. The remainder of 70 by 30 is 10. Increment operator. Now there are some operators in JavaScript which work on a single operand instead of 2 operands like addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. That means increment operator is an unary operator. It increments the value of a variable by 1. plus sign is added after the variable. After assigning 10 to the variable x, we increment it by 1. Therefore, the output is 11. The decrement operator is exactly opposite the increment operator. It is also a unary operator and minus sign is added after the variable name. After assigning 10 to the variable x, we decrement it by 1. Therefore, the output is 11. These are the arithmetic operators in JavaScript. The arithmetic operators are most basic and easy to understand. Let us see an assignment that you have to solve. Increment the following number. Number equal to 50. Find out exponential of the following. X equal to 4, y equal to 5. In the next lecture, we are going to learn another type of operator. Till then, keep practicing and stay safe. Bye.